Hi everyone, welcome to this data annotation course. I'm your instructor, and today we're diving into the first part of the material. Hope you're ready, let's get started.
This chapter focuses on text data annotation. We'll start with an introduction to text data labeling, then look at text data labeling tools, followed by examples of sequence labeling methods, and end with homework and exercises. Text data labeling, a common data labeling type, involves labeling text, including characters and symbols, to enable computer understanding and recognition. Essentially, it's a supervised learning process and a simplified form of complex structure prediction. The aim is to learn a model predicting label sequences from observation sequences. The input is an observation sequence, and the output is a label or state sequence. Note that while the number of labels is limited, the number of label sequences grows exponentially with the sequence length. Natural language dialogue is a major challenge in network big data semantic understanding, often called the crown jewel of artificial intelligence. Text data annotation is the fundamental and crucial step in this process. It enables machines to accurately recognize and precisely position human natural language. Over the past 20 to 30 years, natural language dialogue systems have evolved from probabilistic decision-making multi-round systems to deep learning-based generative systems, and now to a combination of deep learning and symbol processing. Despite these changes, the core drivers remain better natural language understanding, knowledge representation, and logical reasoning. There are several types of text data labeling. Sequence labeling is a basic NLP task, covering areas like word segmentation, entity recognition, keyword extraction, prosody analysis, and intent understanding. Relational labeling marks syntactic and semantic relations in complex sentences, including pointing, modification, and parallel corpus relations. Attribute annotation labels the attributes of things, such as text categories like news or entertainment. Category labeling assigns an article to a specific category, like chapter-level reading comprehension. The text item data labeling process includes pre-processing, labeling, both online and offline, quality inspection, acceptance, data processing, and data delivery. Pre-processing involves algorithm-based preliminary data treatment according to data specifications. Labeling can be online, uploading data to a Data Plus platform and operating via the internet, or offline, using offline tools or text formats. Quality inspection is done by personnel familiar with the definition and specification to spot-check labeled data. The Data Quality Center then verifies the inspected data. Data is processed into the required customer format, and finally, it's encrypted and delivered. The results of a text labeling task include the text label position and content. The annotation file should use an easy-to-parse and store data format like JSON, XML, or TXT, containing detailed label information. Each label should have a unique tag ID, a file path or the original text, confidence level, and for multiple objects within a label, define the object type and details. When delivering data, the labeling team should explain the final submitted data volume. The delivery should include the annotation result and optionally, delivery and description documents, metadata about the labeled data, and the original data if not directly accessible to the user. Text data annotation is widely applied in real-life scenarios. In the new retail industry, it helps reshape the service model by accurately locating customer problems. In the customer service industry, with the rise of electronic customer service, machines need to recognize different ways customers ask questions, so text data labeling is used to learn these variations. In the advertising industry, text data annotation helps designers learn from similar product copywriting by marking the essence and dross. In the financial industry, it can extract key information from enterprise business contracts, reducing labor and cost while improving efficiency.